Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by freeing the mic. Close apps that may hold the device. Once done, open Zoom and click Settings, the gear icon. In audio, choose the microphone from the drop-down. Zoom lists available inputs, so you can pick the one labeled with your headset or built-in mic. Make sure to click Test Mic to see input levels. This initial selection ensures Zoom targets the correct hardware rather than a disabled or virtual device, which is the most common cause. Next, confirm Windows is allowing that mic. You need to right-click the speaker icon and open Sound Settings, then choose your input device from the list. Click Device Properties and ensure the microphone is enabled and volume set high enough. Aim for 70% to 90% so signals register. Also open App Permissions for microphone and ensure Zoom has permission. If levels are correct but no signal appears, run Windows Troubleshooter to detect. Finally, address drivers and hardware. Open Device Manager, find your microphone under Audio Inputs, right-click to update driver or uninstall, then restart to force reinstall. That fixes many Windows 10 driver issues. For USB mics, swap ports or cables to rule out a bad connection. Once done, retest in a Zoom meeting using test mic and speaker. If problems persist, run the Windows Troubleshooter and, as a key tip, try a different microphone to isolate whether it's hardware or system configuration causing the issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.